What's up guys, it's Marshal James. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be unboxing and reviewing the new Oppo Reno 5, a device with an 8GB of RAM and a 128GB of ROM, running the latest 111 with its 50 watts super volt fast charging technology. What? God, Oppo came all out for 2021 with all round amazing stuff. This device has two variants, the 5G variant and the 4G version, which is the one I'm having here with me. The device goes for about 170,000 naira, and for its features, I still believe it is not the best for its price range. But that aside, before we begin, if you know you're new to this channel and haven't subscribed yet, please do what you on the subscribe button and also turn on the bell icon next to it in order to get notified whenever I drop a new video. Without much talking, let's begin. On opening the box, we walk with an envelope which contains the SIM ejector tool, some paperwork, and next is a TPU case for the device. That aside, next is the phone itself, having some of its major specifications on it, as we can see here. Going further, is a 50 watt super volt fast charging brick, accompanied with a USB Type-C cable, and lastly is the earpiece, and that's pretty much all inside the box. When it comes to design and build quality, this device is beautiful. This is awesome. I so much love the reflecting colors that I'm having here. The Oppo Reno 5 has only two colors available, which are the starry black and the fantastic silver. In which what I'm having here is the fantastic silver, and it's so fine. It has light weight of about 271 grams, and it feels so much as 2021 premium device. The back and the frame are made of plastic, but with different reflecting colors, and the most amazing part of this device is it hides fingerprints. Yes, you heard me right, it hides fingerprints. Like, you cannot see any leftover prints after touching this device. Isn't that awesome? It is so awesome. On to the next is the front, which gives us a 6.4-inch screen size with a dot-in display for the front camera placement.
To the right is the power button,
having this green finish highlight on it. On the other hand, which is the left, it is the volume up and down button with a dual nano SIM card tray with a slot for a dedicated expandable SD card as well. On top of the device is where you can find your microphone. Beneath is your mono speaker, a Type-C charging port, and a 3.5mm headphone jack. Then finally at the back is where the back camera plays with the flash, giving it this premium finish. As you can see here, there is no fingerprint scanner anywhere on this device because it comes with an in-display fingerprint scanner which responds super fast to unlock. And with that being said, I will say that the overall design and build quality of this device is great. Coming to the display aspect of the Oppo Reno 5, it gives us a 6.4-inch Super AMOLED display with a Corning Gorilla Glass protection. It offers a 1080 by 2400 pixels resolution with a peak brightness of 600 nits, meaning that it can be visible under direct sunlight. Watching the videos on this device is an awesome experience because its colors are poppy and that makes it enjoyable. It also offers a 90 Hz of refreshing rate, which is also an additional cool feature. The software of this device was super packed as it comes with 8GB of RAM alongside a Snapdragon 720G octa-core processor running with the latest 111 on Oppo custom scheme Color OS 11.1, which enables a smooth and efficient run. Not to forget the 328GB of RAM for storage, and this device has provided enough room for storage. Performance-wise, it does well as navigation of apps, launching, and even gaming handles comes out pretty cool. And trust me, you'll love all your time spent on this device. The camera department. Oppo are also known for their cameras, and in this case, let's see what they got to offer. This device comes with a 44 megapixel selfie camera, and the Ray offers a 64 megapixel main camera, 8 megapixel ultra wide, 2 megapixel micro, 2 megapixel depth sensor camera as well. For its videos department, it shoots on 1080p at 30 frames per second for the front camera. Then at the rear, it shoots on 1080p at 30 frames per second, and at the same time, it can also shoot 4K. It has an ultra steady mode when it comes to the 1080p mode. It also has a double camera for a dual video mode, meaning I can make two videos at the same time, both from the front and the rear. And this feature is really awesome and will be good for bloggers. Let's stop talking and put this camera into practice. The overall images are awesome with so much details. The portrait mode really did well to blur out and separate the objects from the background, which is really cool. Ultra wide angle also did well to cover a large area, maintaining details and not too exposed. Let's see other features like the night mode. with and without flash. The night mode feature is amazing, but you need to hold steady for 50 seconds for it to process and give you its better finished view. While on the other hand, the normal photo with flash is just there. Hey, what's up guys? This is the front facing camera from the all new Oppo Reno 5. Tell me guys what you think about the color production in the comment section. Hey, what's up guys? This is the Oppo Reno 5 Ray camera shooting on 4K at 30 frames per second. You tell me what you think about the color and the video productivity here. Comment section below. Thank you. Hey guys, this is the dual camera option from the Oppo Reno 5. As you can see here, I'm shooting both from the front and the rear at the same time. Is this not awesome? Coming to the battery, the Oppo Reno 5 is packed with a 4310 mAh battery capacity, which is not too cool because I was expecting at least a 5000 mAh battery capacity based on its features. But nevertheless, its 50 watt super volt fast charging technology got you covered as it delivers speedily. So in conclusion, I'll applaud the team that came up with this amazing style and design. You guys really did well. Also, the Oppo Reno 5 is an amazing device and I don't have any dislike about this device yet, apart from its price, which seems overpriced for an entry device. But all the same, let's go ahead and enjoy this pretty piece from Oppo. So that was it for today's video guys. Please do well to share your thoughts about the device in the comment section, telling me what you truly feel about this device. Share these videos to friends to help them in their purchase decision. Be able to give the video a thumbs up if you like it, and most importantly, please do subscribe to my channel as this will encourage me a lot. Thank you till I see you in my next one. Bye and bye.